Hightone Construction and Development Corporation, a firm co-founded by resigned Ako Bicol Representative Zaldico's brother Christopher, was the third top contractor of farm-to-market roads in 2024. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian says Hightone bagged farm-to-market road contracts amounting to nearly 222 million pesos in 2024, citing recent data his office obtained from the Public Works and Highways Department. He suggests possible collusion, citing Hightone unusually high number of awarded contracts and the Bicol region's 80 farm-to-market road projects in 2024, the most among all regions. Gatchalian adds, the projects cost at least 30,000 pesos per meter.
Tingin ko hindi naman coincidental na ang pinakamalaking nakakakuha ng FMR is Region 5. Tapos pangatlong pinaka maraming nakuhang kontrata is connected kay Zaldico.
He also cites extremely overpriced farm-to-market roads costing up to over 348,000 pesos per meter. For reference, Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr. says the DPWH's standard cost for farm-to-market roads is an estimated 15 million pesos per kilometer or 15,000 pesos per meter.